In this video, I want to show you what you can try if your Honeywell thermostat display has suddenly gone blank, just like this one here. This one here is the Honeywell RTH20B programmable thermostat. So if your display has suddenly gone blank, what you want to do first is to go over to your breaker box. You want to go over to your circuit breaker and check the switch labeled HVAC or AC. So you want to check if the switch is tripped. If it's stripped off, you want to make sure you turn it back on, and that should help fix the problem. But if that doesn't help, what you want to do is to come back to your thermostat. So what you want to do now is to pull it out of the wall. So you want to get it off the wall. So for this one here, you want to hold this way and pull it out. So what you want to do is to check and replace the batteries. Well, you want to make sure the batteries are properly installed. So you want to get the old batteries out. Alright. So that's it. And what you want to do is to get your new batteries, or make sure you insert the old ones properly. So get them in this way. So make sure you insert the batteries properly, and I want to get it back. So you can see this one is back on, the display is back on. Now you want to push it into place. So that's it. So that's how to troubleshoot your Honeywell thermostat if the display has suddenly gone blank. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.